Hey, Jason here. Today's video, we're not doing a stock analysis video. We're actually doing a book review of this book, Third Day, The Decision That Separates the Pros from the Amateurs by Dre Baldwin. Before we get to that, though, I need to let you know you can get this series as a podcast anywhere in the world for free on all major podcasting platforms. Stitcher, Anchor, SoundCloud, Spotify, iTunes, and more. You can get this part of the I Love Value Investing podcast anywhere in the world for free. And if you like this video here on YouTube and our other videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we release a new video, and we're releasing new videos all the time. Okay, so for those of you who have not seen one of my book review videos, we used to do them all the time. Stop them, I don't remember why. But today we're getting back into this, or a couple weeks ago we got back into this with the book Big Money Energy by Ryan Serhant. Today I'm going to review this book by this guy. Full transparency, Dre and I are in a business mastermind together, but I purchased this book myself and going to give you my honest thoughts on the book and frankly why you should get it. For those of you who do not know Dre, he works a lot on improving mindset, improving confidence, improving how you talk to yourself, improving discipline, all those things, and much more Dre talks about on his channels and various books and resources. Dre was I think 9-year professional basketball player overseas in, I believe, Europe only. And he talks now, he's building his business around helping people improve their mindsets through disciplines and, again, mindset stuff he learned to become an elite athlete, world-class athlete. That's what this book is all about. Third Day. For those of you who do not know sports or do not like sports or do not even know what this was, the title of the book is referring to, the third day is, the way Dre explains it is the first day, let's say you're going to the gym. The first day you're excited, you're ready to go to the gym, you have a great workout, you feel a ton of energy afterwards. Then you wake up the next day on the second day and you're sore and you don't necessarily feel like going, but you're still going to go because you committed to going to start working out. The problems for most people come on the third day when you're really sore, you're really tired, you really do not want to go. This is where most people quit, according to Dre. This is where their lack of discipline, lack of mental toughness, lack of processes to help them get through this kind of stuff fails, and this is where most people quit. But if you can get through the third day with discipline, with processes, with mindset stuff, with all the stuff that's in this book, you will not only build discipline, but you'll be doing a skill or whatever you want to be doing. For example, the way I'm implementing this is there's stuff, and I tell my daughters this all the time, there's stuff every day I don't want to do, but I have to do to run my businesses and grow the businesses. Instead of thinking about it that way, one thing I'm doing now is I'm building processes. Something Dre talks about a lot in this book is building processes out of your what you want to do or what you need to do to get to where you want to go. For example, one of the things I'm doing personally is I'm adding a checklist. At the end of every day, I'm building a checklist of things. Did I do this today? And I'll actually read it off to you. I wasn't planning on talking about this, so I don't have it up, but I call it my daily score tracker. So some things I track, and not all of this is from Dre directly, but part of this is the process that I'm building to track my day. So here's what I do. I started this to some degree, and it looks like July is the first date on here, and I keep adding stuff to this and taking stuff away, frankly. So I score my day, and I write down what I did that day, where I could have improved, what I accomplished that day. So that's always in my mind. I do that every day. How many hours did you win today? I learned this from Ed Milet. This is part of the process, though, that I'm implementing from this book, The Third Day, Dre's book. How many hours of the day did you win? Was I uncomfortable in pushing beyond my limits? Was I out of bed before 6 a.m.? Did I go the extra mile for clients? Did I do outreach to more than 20 people today? Did I keep their promises to myself today? Did I think? There are other things on here as well. And again, I'm constantly tweaking this as I go through the process. But just since I've implemented this process in my life, again, reinforced by what's in this book, things are moving faster business-wise. Some specifics that I can share, we're getting more people into our masterclass. I'm doing more things that I need to be doing to grow the masterclass, as in marketing and selling to people more, writing copy, sales copy, producing more content like these videos for you guys, and these the stock analysis videos, the Facebook lives, all the stuff we're doing to market and sell this to get you in the masterclass. We're doing because we believe in it and we want you in here and we know to help you. But I'm doing this and continuing this discipline with, again, principles learned in this book. And this isn't just for business. It's just not for sports. This book will help you learn how to improve your life with discipline, with processes, with his mindset stuff in all aspects of your life. Maybe you want to become a better dad or wife or mom or husband, or maybe you want to go to the gym consistently for the first time in your life. Maybe you want to eat better. Maybe you want to become a world-class athlete like Dre was. Maybe you want to become a world-class business person. Maybe you want to start a business. Maybe you want to buy a business. You can use the disciplines and, again, what's taught in this book in any aspect of your life. Also, in full transparency, I said at the beginning of this that Dre and I know each other personally. Again, he knows I bought the book, but he doesn't know I was doing this video for him. And he doesn't even know my thoughts. I haven't shared my thoughts with him on this book yet. Highly recommend the book if you can't tell. Highly recommend you get it from either Amazon or, better yet, Dre's website, which I will try to find and put in the description. I don't have it offhand right now. So you can get, there's free bonuses you can get if you buy from his site versus Amazon. But highly recommend the book. I'm one of those people who are always constantly trying to learn, improve, and do things better, do things more efficiently, especially in the value investing and investing arena. You have to kind of do that all over time. Highly recommend this book, not just to help you become a better investor, financial person, business person, like we talk about here on this channel, but again, this book will help you in every aspect of your life. And again, highly recommend it, especially for someone who, and this is pretty much everybody in my opinion, but I'll speak specifically for me, who could use more discipline. I've always been pretty disciplined, but this takes it to a whole nother level, frankly. And this combined with the mindset stuff and the processes, it's an entire guide on how to improve your life and reach your goals. How good is the book? That's how many, hopefully we can get it to, there we go, focus here. That's how many pages I dog-eared in this book. More than half of the book dog-eared. I've got notes, sections on notes, and all that I'm, again, literally implementing in my life. How to avoid procrastination, how to get rid of procrastination, self-regulation, distractions, frustration. This book runs the whole gamut again. Highly recommend the book. Highly recommend you get it, and highly recommend you get it not only just to get it, but to read it and implement it and improve your life. And again, even though I know Dre, I haven't shared this with him, so that is the transparency on that. I'm sure I will share this with him after I release the book review. But great book regardless of whether I know Dre personally or not, or whether you know Dre's stuff personally or not. Again, highly recommend you get it. And until next time, hope you have a great day. Talk soon.